Alright guys, so I'm here to show you really quick the Lantern Mist Diffuser. I only have a few minutes, so I wanted to just show you real quick how I fill it. Here is the lantern, again, beautifully made. It's got glass here, really good quality. And then the little silicone cone that comes inside is that really good grade plastic that is great for essential oils. Inside here is where you'll see the, that's the sensor that helps to distribute the oils. So we always want to keep that clean, but I'm actually putting the same blend in there that was already in there, so I'm not going to wipe it out. But the blend I'm using is patchouli, grapefruit, and lime. I absolutely love this blend together. It kind of reminds me of a subtle men's cologne, and I absolutely love it. Patchouli on its own is very florally, so I tend to, it's a little strong by itself, so I like to mix it with, you know, more citrusy oils. So I'm just going to do 2 drops of this one. Okay. And then we're going to do 4 drops of grapefruit. I absolutely love grapefruit. This one goes well with a lot of different blends too, and it's also very uplifting and a great mood booster. So we'll put that. And then we're going to do 3 of lime. This is great for your water. To help detoxify your body. All the citrus ones are good for that too. Alrighty, and then you just fill inside. You will see there's like a line right there. That's where you fill the water. And the great thing about these is that you can use tap water. You don't have to use, I think for the Aria, which is another diffuser by Young Living, you have to use distilled water for that. But yeah, so then you pop on your lid, make sure it's lined up. I'm trying to do it one-handed. There's like a little divot. There we go. And lock it in. Then place your lid right back on. And then there's 2 settings in the back. And you can put it on full. The first one is like full force. And that one, it can be on, I think, straight for up to 6 hours, I believe. Then there's low, and then there's intermittent, which intermittent is basically on for a minute, off for a minute. I tend to do that one because it makes it last longer, and it can last up to like 8 to 10 hours, I believe, on intermittent. And then the cool thing about this one, too, it has different light settings. So there's white. This is my favorite. It's the candlelit glow one, so it looks like you have a candle on. There's red, orange, yellow, green, it's like a purpley blue, dark blue, pink, and then if you choose to do no light. So I'm gonna put it back on the candlelit glow one because I absolutely love that one. So yeah, that's the Lantern Diffuser.